Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Oh my goodness, guys, thank you all so much for the love so far. Okay, thank you. You guys are really amazing. All right guys, so if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Sarah. We film about DIY natural ingredients for face, how to take care of dark knuckles, dark spot, pimples, anything about DIY on this YouTube. Okay, please do consider to subscribe so whenever we upload a video you will be the first to be notified. All right guys, so on today's video is about pores. Okay, so if you have pores on your face and you want to get rid of it, this is the best video for you to get rid of your pores and dark spot. Okay, all right guys, so the first ingredient that I'm going to be using for this video is just 2 ingredients, and these 2 ingredients is powerful and it's really great to use. Okay, so the first one is banana. So I'm going to be slicing my banana now, just one banana, and I'm going to be adding it to my bowl. You all know that banana is good to get rid of dead cell. Banana is good to reduce oiliness, it prevents acne, and it tightens pores. Banana is also good, it acts as a natural sun protection. It treats sunburn, it smoothing irritable skin. Banana as well gives you youthful glow. Okay, so banana is good for anything about acne, dark spots, anything about acne on your face. Okay, so after adding your banana to just slice it, I'm going to slice it and add it to my bowl. Then the next thing that we'll be needing is tomatoes. Tomatoes is good for antioxidant. Applying a tomatoes will help your face to improve the elasticity of your skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It also fades away dark spots and make the skin appear a lot more even and youthful age. Okay, so guys, and after that I'm going to be adding my rose water. You guys, I don't have rose water anymore. I need to go and buy. So I'm going to be using the last rose water to blend my face cream or face product this morning. Yes, then I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of rose water, which we are going to be using to blend. Okay, rose water is good to smoothie your skin, it helps protect your sunburn, and it gives you skin exfoliating. All right, yes, then after that I'm going to be blending. I'm going to blend until it's well smooth. After blending, the next thing that we'll be doing is adding it to my clean bowl. Then after adding it to my clean bowl, then let me go ahead and show you guys how to use. Okay, then I'm just using it on my face now. It's very good for face. It protects you from sunburn. It helps you in taking away dark spots, dark knuckle, dark cell, dead cell, and anything that is not good from your face, even sunburn. Okay, you guys, I have a lot of pimples before, but with this product that I am doing, they are really helping a lot. So you can as well try it on your face. Your face is really good. It helps you to get it penetrates inside your body. It gives you the glowing skin, and it helps you with your dead cell, your acne, and after that I'm going to use my serum. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you watched this video to this extent, you are super amazing. I love you so much. Please do consider to subscribe so whenever we upload a video you will be the first to be notified. Alright, I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video. Bye.